we have got top 5 Puma sneakers under 3000 rupees. Let's check them out. What is up, people? This is Kamlia, your sneaker guy, and guys, yes, I'm pretty excited to show you guys each and every sneaker here because these are some fire sneakers and I am excited to share it with you all. So let's unbox the first sneaker and here we go. So this is Puma Club 2 Era. We get this in this beautiful caramel latte colorway with that gum bottom and some golden hints on it. We get to see suede and leather on the upper of the sneaker. You have that Puma logo on the tongue, side panel and on the back heel in that beautiful golden colorway. This is a pretty light and a decently comfortable sneaker. The MRP on this is 5,499 rupees, but you can just get it for 2,804 rupees. That's a massive steal in my opinion. Now we move towards the second sneaker on our list and we have Puma Club 2 Year of the Sports. This is a special edition sneaker from the Year of the Sports pack which Puma recently made. Here you get to see two shades of black where you get that dark black suede, then you have that black leather, then you get to see that red Puma side stripes in suede, then you have a patch of dark green on the back heel. You also have a very different Puma logo on the tongue of the sneaker which says Puma Sportswear. So this sneaker has that slim aesthetics, decent comfort, it fits true to size, and again it has the same MRP, that is 5,499 rupees, and this pair will cost you 2,849. That is a beautiful price. Now let's move towards the next sneaker on this list, and here we have a Puma Smashic, a all black sneaker with full leather upper. This is a very low profile, simple looking pair, and this sneaker is for someone who is not a big sneakerhead but just needs a very simple shoes to wear it to office or college and do not want to care about it. This is a black leather upper sneaker. You do not have to worry about the sneaker getting dirty or something like that. You can just wipe the dirt off and that's it. I know the sneaker is very simple for a lot of people, but there are some people who would definitely like to choose this. So this is for them, not for everyone, and that is the reason this sneaker will cost you very cheap. This sneaker retails for 4,499 rupees, but you can just get it for 1,800 rupees. Like 1,800 rupees for a pair, that is a great deal. Talking about the next sneaker on this list, and this is one of my favorite on this list. So here we have a Puma ST Runner V4. This sneaker is majorly covered in mesh, then has some part in suede and leather. This has a very interesting color combination of navy blue and white, and also has that beautiful stripe of maroon in it. I just love the silhouette on the sneaker because it just gives that 90s running sneaker vibe to it, and I just love that. More importantly, this sneaker is very comfortable and fits true to size. And talking about the pricing on it, this sneaker retails for 4,499 rupees, but you can just get it for 2,070 rupees. That is a great deal for this pair. Okay, so now we move towards the most destroyed box on this list, and I found a way to open it because there is no other way, because you can just have a look. It just has sellotapes all over it, but I found a way. So, and here I present to you the okay. Give me a second.
One day later.
So here we have a beautiful pair of Puma Shuffle. This is a beautiful all white sneaker with a full leather upper on it. I just love how slim this sneaker looks. I just love how simple this sneaker looks, and I just love how clean this sneaker looks. The perforated holes on the Puma side stripes instead of a strip there, it looks very interesting. Yes, this sneaker fits true to size and has decent comfort. Very interestingly, this is the most expensive pair on this whole list. This sneaker will cost you 2,999 rupees. That is exactly under 3,000 rupees. So yes, do let me know which is your favorite from this list, and I have got all of them from Amazon. I have linked each and every sneaker in the description. And with that, thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you next time in the next video. Peace.